typically in an MDM environment, what happens is an IT administrator would be the one who would have visibility on those devices. And he would typically do things like check that the devices don't run out of battery, put rules in place to flag it when a device is low on battery, make sure that all the devices are compliant to the rules that have been set out for it. But we've realized, and together with you yourselves have realized, that you can use that data stream and make certain accurate assumptions based on the data that comes in. You mentioned an attendance register, something which we've deployed for a specific customer now. And how we do that basically is we say, listen, the MDM data stream contains the following: a location of a device. It tells whether that device has checked in or has been switched on. It tells us whether the application which the person is supposed to be using between 8 and 5 is actually in use, and a few other things. And we can then make an accurate deduction that that person is at work, and therefore he is present at work. If some of those or all of those are not present, we can make the logical assumption that he is absent, right? And that pure principle which we've applied to that data stream from the MDM has been invaluable for so many of our customers. There's a few other things, and it's important to say absenteeism or an attendance register is important for a certain person in an organization. In this case, the HR director, for example. He needs to know if people are at work or not. However, there's other information which we can get from that device and which is produced in the MDM data stream. For example, which phone calls have been made, to what number, at what time. I mean, an MDM allows you to really have all of that information. And for the financial director or financial person in an organization, it would be important to know if the device is being abused after hours. Is data being used at a time outside of working hours? And all of those sort of things is important to know, right? And the FD of a company would be interested in that information, for example. And we are now able to present each of those people who is MDM illiterate, if you like, right? It doesn't have access to the MDM system, to merely click on a link on his phone or on his computer and view the graphs and the statistics and the insights that pertains to his job and the information that he needs to know. The CEO of a company will have an overview of all of these things and more, and our clients really find that to be invaluable.